Good morning, students. Today we will start exercise 13.2 of chapter probability. So first is multiplication theorem on probability. Let E and F are the events associated with the sample space S. E intersection F implies that E and F both are occur, and E intersection F is also written as EF. Now the conditional probability PE upon F is PE intersection F over PF that we did in last exercise, where PF is not equal to 0. We can calculate PE intersection F by cross multiplying PE into PE upon F, call this 1. Similarly, you can calculate PF upon E, then again cross multiply, call this equation 2. Now from 1 and 2, P intersection E intersection F and F intersection E is one as same thing. So therefore P intersection F is equal to PE into PF upon E, or PF into PE upon F. So this is known as the multiplication rule of probability. Basically we have to calculate PE upon F, PF upon E, PE intersection F and PF intersection E को equate करके we will write the result. This is multiplication theorem on probability. Next is independent events. Event drawing, we will take the example. Let me take the event drawing a card from 52 cards. Let E be the event of getting spade, F be the event getting an ace. Probability of spade 13 by 52, probability of ace 4 by 52, and E intersection F means spade भी हो और ace भी हो तो वो एक ही कार्ड है 1. So PE intersection F is 1 by 52. Now PE upon F, conditional probability PE intersection F over PF. This can be calculated 1 by 52 over 4 by 52 is 1 by 4. Now PE is 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 4 of PF. PE जो है वो 1 by 4 है, 13 by 52 means 1 by 4. PE is 1 by 4. PE upon F is 1 by 4. So occurrence of event F has not affected the probability of occurrence of E. Also PE upon PF upon E, PE intersection F over PE, this value is 1 by 52, 13 by 1 by 13. So PF if you see it is 1 upon 13. PF is 1 by 13. PE upon F upon E is 1 by 13. So occurrence of E has not affected the probability of occurrence of event F. So thus events E and F are two events such that probability of occurrence of one of them is not affected by the occurrence of other. So these events are called independent event. Or for the calculation part, now the definition is PF upon E if it is PE, PF, and PE upon F is PE, or we can write PE intersection F is PE into PF upon E, or PE into PF. PE intersection F is PE into PF, or PE intersection F is PE into PF. So these events, three events, if you can basically is PE intersection F is PE into PF, then the events are said to be independent. Now if you take three events, PA intersection B intersection C, it must be PA into PB into PC, and so on. Let me start exercise 13.2. In 13.2, first question is PA is 3 by 5, PB is 1 by 5. You have to find PA intersection B if A and B are independent events. Now if they are independent, PA intersection B is PA into PB. Substitute the values, answer is 3 by 25. Second question is, two cards are drawn. The second question is, two cards are drawn at random and without replacement from a pack of 52 cards. The probability that find the probability that both cards are black. Now see the solution. Total cards are 52, black cards are 26. दोनों ही ब्लैक हों तो 26 बाई 52, लेकिन एक एक कार्ड निकल गया। अगली बार 25 बाई 51। 25 क्यों? क्योंकि एक कार्ड ब्लैक चला गया यहाँ पे। और 51 क्यों? क्योंकि एक कार्ड वो ब्लैक निकल गया, टोटल में से भी निकल गया और ब्लैक भी निकल गया। सो इट इज़ 25 बाई 102. Then the question number 5 is, a die is marked 1, 2, 3 in red, 4, 5, 6 in green and tossed. 1, 2, 3 in red, 4, 5, 6 in green, and let A be the event that the number is even, B be the event the number is red. Are A and B are independent events? We have to check. Now see the solution. Now if a die is rolled, then the possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, in which 1, 2, 3 are red, 4, 5, 6 are green. So A be the event getting even number, so even, and B be the event getting red, number is red. So even number हो गए 2, 4 and 6. So probability of A is 3 by 6 means 1 by 2. Now red is given 1, 2, 3. So probability of B's event B will be, red 3 है, 3 by 6, 1 by 2. इंटरसेक्शन रेड भी है और इवन भी है, वो 2 है सिर्फ, यानी कि एक केस है. सो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ पी ए इंटरसेक्शन बी इज़ 1 by 6. नाउ इफ द इवेंट्स आर इंडिपेंडेंट, then PA into PB must be equal to PA intersection B. So means 1 by 2 in PA is 1 by 2, PB is 1 by 2, must be equal to PA intersection B 1 by 6. But they are not equal. So they are not independent events. Now the question number 12 is, a die is tossed thrice. Find the probability of getting an odd number at least once. Die is rolled thrice. See the solution. If a die is rolled thrice, find the probability of getting an odd number at least once. Now see, probability of odd number when a die is thrown 3 by 6 means 1 by 2. Then probability of even number is again 3 by 6. 3 even है, 3 odd है, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 है, 1 by 2. Even number 3 times, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 8. Add odd number at least once. So it is 1 minus 1 by 8, 7 by 8. Then come to question number 16. In a hostel, 60% of students read Hindi newspaper, 40% read English newspaper, and 20% read both Hindi and English. A student is selected at random. First case is, find the probability that she reads neither Hindi nor English. Second, she reads Hindi newspaper. Find the probability that she reads English newspaper. So there are two cases. Now see the solution. Let number of persons who read Hindi newspaper be denoted by H, and E is the students who, E denotes the student who read English newspaper. Now probability of reading Hindi newspaper is 60%, 60 by 100, 6 by 10. Probability of reading English newspaper 40%, 40 by 100. It is 4 by 10. Both intersection Hindi and English. Probability of students reading both the newspaper 20 by 100, 2 by 10. Now we can find their union. PH union E is PH, P plus PE minus PH intersection E. So substitute these values. This is 8 by 10. Now we are having three cases. First is probability of neither Hindi nor English. This means 1 minus probability of Hindi union English. So this is 1 minus 8 by 10, 2 by 10, 1 by 5. Second is she reads Hindi newspaper. Find the probability she reads English. हिंदी वो पढ़ती है, इंग्लिश की निकालनी है कंडीशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी पी ई अपॉन एच. So P E intersection H upon P H. Substitute the values 2 by 10, 6 by 10, 1 by 3. Third case is she reads English newspaper. Find the probability that she read Hindi newspaper. She reads English. English तो पढ़ती है, हिंदी की निकालनी है कंडीशनल. तो P E intersection H is upon P E. So it is 2 by 10 upon 4 by 10, which is 1 by 2. Thank you.